Hey, Santa Rosa Academy, this is Mr. Cap. I'm here in the greenhouse right now with Mr. Montoya, our amazing horticulture teacher, and he's doing some amazing things out here. So I want to take a few minutes to talk to you guys and with Mr. Montoya and show you around, since you're not on campus to see what's going on, to see the great things we have. So with that, Mr. Montoya, how you doing today?
Great, I'm doing great. Hello everyone, how you doing? Yeah, well, welcome to our greenhouse, and thank you that you're here. I wanted to introduce to you our aquaponics system here. The students built this part of it. This is the hydroponic system of the whole unit here, and this is the pond area here. So the way the aquaponic system works is that the water from the aquaponic system, which is the water coming out of the pond, gets fed into the hydroponic system. Now in here I'm going to be planting lettuce seeds in each one of these pots here, and the byproduct from the water being fed to the hydroponic system would be bacteria that's going to turn into nitrites, and eventually will turn into nitrates, which will be utilized by the plants for food. So all that bacteria is a byproduct of the fish waste, which is basically the fish poop, but we need that in order to feed the vegetable plants that we're going to be growing up here. So this whole system here is a symbiotic relationship. The pond and the aquaponics support the hydroponics, and the hydroponics will filter out the water so it can go back into the pond and not harm the fish. So everything's working together. And the way aquaponics works is it's a combination of aquaculture, raising fish for profit and for food, and then also hydroponic agriculture, raising plants, again, for food, for human consumption, and for profit. So they help each other out. So I just can't wait till the students come back so they can actually help me with this. I've been doing everything on my own, but we got it rocking and rolling. And we have the water hyacinths here that are blooming. These grow very fast. Great aquatic plant for aeration for the fish. And then we also have in here, we have water, this is water lettuce. And this is a great aquatic plant as well. We have the canna lilies here. This plant will grow in the soil in your garden as well as in a pond. This is a different variety of canna lily. And then we have the umbrella plant. This is a type of like papyrus that you see growing along the Nile in Egypt. So we're just trying to incorporate different aquatic plants in for the fish. It's going to help the fish. It also protects the fish, gives them some shade, and hopefully no predators will come in, but it will protect them from predators as well.
Now you mentioned the fish. Can you show us what you're talking about for that?
Well, let's see. We just brought the fish in today, and these are goldfish. Last year we had koi fish. We're going to try the goldfish. I know that goldfish are really messy, but I need their waste for fertilizing the plants that we put in the hydroponic system. And since the fish are small, I crushed up the food because they're little pellets, so they can feed on it. As they get larger, I won't have to do that.
So you're saying that the fish and the plants all work together to feed what's going to be here, which is lettuce. And is this lettuce okay for us to eat?
Oh yes, absolutely. In fact, it's probably going to be the best organic lettuce that you'll ever have, because it's all organic. There's no chemicals. We're not using any chemicals whatsoever in the pond. There's no chemicals going to, I'll probably put spinach and lettuce in here. No chemicals going to the spinach or the lettuce. So it's strictly organic, as healthy as can be. And there's a lot of aquaponic farms that are massive, probably the size of our campus. And that's what they do. They'll raise tilapia. It takes about 10 months from the time they start the tilapia until they can harvest it. So they're not only raising tilapia for profit and food, they also have vegetables growing out of the system.
That is awesome. Well, guys, that is such a cool thing, and I am so glad that I got to spend a few minutes with this Mr. Montoya today, talking about our aquaponic, hydroponic system, and we learned some great words, and I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this quick little segment. So thanks for watching, Rangers. Take care.